It's time to take a look at the new Braun Multiquick 5V hand blender with German technology as proudly proclaimed on the box. And this one has turbo apparently. Does that mean it has a real turbocharger inside? No, I don't think so. It's just a button that turns up the voltage and makes it spin faster. So let's see what it's all about. Here it is, and I've got to say it feels really solid. It's got this nice rubberized coating so it doesn't slip out of your hands. And this is the speed control, which has 21 settings. That's the button, the normal button, and that's the turbo button. The buttons feel really nice, they're not too hard to press. Here's the business end with a very sharp set of blades. Be careful with those blades, I already cut myself just by lightly touching it. It's got a nice stainless steel finish to it. And these little buttons on the side will release the cutting end so you can clean it or attach other accessories which are purchased separately. Gotta say, it's really solid. Okay, that's already pretty fast. Holy moly. Turbo mode. It does spin incredibly fast. Time to put it to the test in some soup. So far, so good. Gotta say, it blends the soup up really quickly. Much quicker than our old hand blender. Look how smooth that is, that's amazing. If you want to get one of these for yourself, the links are in the description. And I thank you for watching.